All right, it is a couple of hours before maybe the calm of this storm actually stops being calm. My son and I are taking our dogs to do their business at the dog park. Go, go. Yep, they sat. So it's actually nice outside. It feels balmy and windy. And I guess this makes us true Floridians because this will be the second storm in a year. The first being Idalia when we moved in here a week ago. A week into our move in Florida was Idalia. Yep, second storm in the year. Second named storm. So the joggers are still out. But you can definitely see how quickly the clouds are moving against the background. So yeah. What? Yeah. But everyone's maintaining their morning routines. We're going to the dog park. JB, hold the dogs. All right. Take them to the big park. Good morning. All right, take the leash off. Okay. Sit. JB, just take the leash off. She wants to pee. Yep. So yeah, it's 8 a.m. Sunday morning, August 4th.
Fourth grade. Okay.
Third.
Third. Oh, I thought I thought fourth.
Yeah, the video doesn't necessarily do it justice, but it is breezy. It doesn't feel terrible, but clouds moving that fast, that high, means, you know, whatever's coming is coming. From the map, the weather map, it looks like the storm is generally just on the outside of Sarasota now, the outer bands. The center of the storm is hundreds of miles out to sea out the west, thank God. But yeah, this is what 8 a.m. feels like, and it is not horrible. If it wasn't a storm, this would be a beautiful day. Because of the clouds, the temperature is lower. The wind makes everything way more comfortable. And at the dog park, because of the presence of all this wind, there are no mosquitoes or flies that generally live here because they love the dog pee and poop. Everything feels really comfortable. If I had to guess, I feel like it's somewhere between 75 and 80 degrees. But then again, like I said, this is 8 a.m. JB's enjoying himself. Dallas is looking for his spot, and Phoenix is looking for her friends. They're not here. We're late.